put that on that beat.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Drop that ass to the floor, yeah. Whoa, you ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more.
What's up, Imperial family? It's your girl Diamond. I am back with another video. And in today's video, we are gonna be cooking chicken shrimp sausage jambalaya. Now this is my first time cooking it, so we're gonna cook it together. But before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Now I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking throughout the video because I'm trying to, whip it up, make sure I'm doing everything the right way. But first, we're gonna start off by boiling our noodles. So turn this on. And these are the noodles that we're going to be using. First, you want to clean your chicken. And then you want to cut your chicken up into small pieces. And then you want to season your chicken to your liking. Now we're going to saute our peppers. First we got some yellow peppers. And then we have some green peppers. And then we have some orange peppers. And then we have some red peppers. Now we're going to put some olive oil inside of the pan with the peppers. And you want to cook those peppers until they're soft. Now you want to add those sausages to the peppers. Now we're going to take our diced tomatoes with green peppers and onions and pour it inside of the pan with the peppers and the sausages. And then we're going to take our other can of diced tomatoes with basil garlic and pour it inside of the pan with the peppers and the sausages. Now we're going to cook our chicken, but be careful, don't cook it too long or else the chicken will be hard. Now we're going to take our cooked chicken and pour it into the pan with the diced tomatoes, the peppers, and the sausages. Now it's time to make our sauce. So we're going to have 2 sticks of butter and put it inside of a pan. We're going to season some of that with some minced garlic. Now we're going to pour 2 cups of whipping cream inside of our sauce mix.
Now we're going to take 3 cups of milk and pour it inside our sauce. Now that you have a good consistency, you can add whatever cheese that you prefer. Then we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. Now I'm not going to lie, I did use way more cheese than was showed in this video because I wanted my stuff to be more on the cheesy side. Then we're going to use some onion powder, and then we're going to use some garlic powder, and then we're going to use some black pepper and some salt. And you want to cook it until you get that smooth consistency that you want. Okay, I added my noodles and peppers and stuff into 2 separate pans. And then I added the cheese into 2 separate pans. And then I mixed everything together. OMG guys, this stuff turned out so delicious, and I thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Wrap up my dough, put it in the flow, cook it on the stove, and she turn me on. Girl, we gon' be fucking while we making love.